Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture, and once you have it open and visible, you can press the power button and volume down, which will capture a screenshot. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible. I'm gonna now press these two buttons, and you can see it captures a screenshot. But there's a little bit of a limitation to this, which I think I might be able to showcase this. Yes, I can. So, just to explain this a bit before I showcase, certain applications use the ability to block, I believe it's screen pinning. I think that's what the feature is called, that is basically using things like screen recordings and screenshots. And when they block it, your phone, or the action to capture a screenshot or record a video or screen video, is basically blocked by these applications. This is done for your privacy and security. But I'm about to show you an application that has no business doing that, like the Netflix. There's no privacy and security. It's protecting here of yours. It's protecting the whoever's the CEO's privacy and security, so he can afford another Aston Martin probably. So you can see I am not signed in. I haven't agreed to terms of service or use. I haven't installed this application even myself, nor do I ever owned or created a Netflix account. So with that in mind, let's capture a screenshot here. Nope. Can't take screenshots of this page. Why the shit can't I? And yeah, like I explained, this is basically the privacy and security. Do you feel so secure by the corporate piece of shit called Netflix that is basically preventing you from using your device the way you want to? It's your device, but yet some benign bullshit corporation is dictating how you're gonna use it as long as their application is open. The one that you haven't even installed yourself. So, because I completely consider this to be an absolute bullshit, you know what, there is a different option that you can use for Netflix specifically, as an example, which is called Cloudstream, right over here. If we open it up, just kind of let it load. You can see we have a bunch of shows visible right here, so we have trending, populars, and whatever. Now, this kind of layout is visible through the Sora stream, which is a repository. You need to add repositories, which would basically be kind of similar to typing in a domain like, I don't know, netflix.com as an example. And all you need to do is go into the settings, add a repo, add one that is called Mega Repo. And once you add the Mega Repo, you will have a bunch of them visible, way more than I have right here. You will find a hexated one, and in here, you're gonna look for Sora stream. Click on the download button next to it, and when you go back here, you just click right over here and select it, and off you go. And this application, which you can find on GitHub, I should mention, doesn't give you shit for trying to capture a video recording or screenshot in it, like it should. So, or well, like it's supposed to work, basically. So, screw you, Netflix. Now, just to kind of put that out there, where this option is being used, for instance, on the devices, in bank applications, you can probably imagine how this would be very beneficial to you, where some kind of, let's just say, a virus wouldn't see the screen, which that's basically what happens. So, when you're typing in your pins for your bank, obviously, no malware can really see it, even if it's trying to, because it would work the same way as a screenshot or screen recording would. So if you ever try to capture, I don't know, some kind of screenshot in your bank application, that's the reason why it doesn't work, which is also why banks have the option to basically download a file that confirms things like payments and stuff like that, because screenshots, well, you can't take them in there. So anyway, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like. Actually, not before you hit like, let me just show you where you can actually find the screenshot that you have captured. So we can open up gallery. We also have photos in here, but I personally prefer gallery. And in here, you can see your screenshot right at the top, whatever you have captured it. If you've captured it some time ago, it's going to be visible somewhere down the list. So in here we can find it, or you can also navigate to this tab right here, which is albums, and in albums you'll find screenshots and screen recording album, and you can see it, well, you can see it here, which is the reason I prefer this option over the photos, is because in the screenshots and screen recordings it actually has a separation between both of these. So you can tap on these categories and it will switch to them. And there is the screenshot that I've captured. So now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.